Hey, and welcome to DigiProduct Lab Review. This is a Holly uh, ebook creator and digital product creator. You can make ebooks, mailing pages, e-covers, and basically you can give this away to your to people to get them on your list and promote to them. Or you can also use this as a service for Fiverr and make money, either Fiverr, Upworks, or and, just you make $100 a day with this on Fiverr or Upworks. Uh, just the welcome page. Let's see. This is the dashboard. Just the e cover creator. So you could make 3D e covers. Uh, I'm doing this review on my phone, so do for affiliate marketing, keto diet, whatever you want to make an e-cover for. So, uh, so you can create an e-cover. Let's see. What else I got? You can create an e-book. So, you can create e-book from articles, from URLs, or they have done for you e-books as well that you can give away. So, let's see. They have, let's see, I should have a computer. They got, yeah. It says create ebooks. You can add a new chapter. So you can add a new chapter once you do your ebooks. So, do the headings, drag and drop. So I'm doing this from my phone. So you can drag and drop. Drag and that's a drag and drop. So it's something like that on the computer, but I'm doing this from my phone. And let's see, go back. What else? Back. And you got all your ebooks and stuff would be in your library. So I got some ebooks and I'm testing it out. There's some ebooks in here, some stuff. Let's see if I can, there's some ebooks in here. Yeah. So it's one of the ebooks, You can make, and you could give it away, or you could do any type of ebooks. Like if you do it on Fiverr, you could do any type of ebook somebody asks you to, and get paid for it. So this is powerful. So yeah, just wanted to show y'all this. All right. So I think you should get this. This is could be mind blowing and changing. All right, I'm out.